My dear friend, as you are well aware that we are describing the Islamic Gunism against the non-Muslims because Islam is a certified criminal activity throughout the world against the non-Muslims. But particularly, first of all, I would like to say very good morning to you. I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. I have written 12 books in English, though one book was written by Hindi, but I translated it to English. So we will discuss about the mass killing of the Christians by the Muslims. Earlier, I have told you the Christianity persecutions by the Jews, but now we will discuss or disclose the persecution of the Christian by the Muslims. Mass killing of the Christians by Muslim, the most persecuted Christians population in Myanmar, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and many other Asian countries with African countries by Muslim knife keeping goons for slitting the neck of the Kafirs. Antiquity in New Testament, in the beginning, in first century, where the people of Bethlehem, which did crucified the Jesus for new concept of the religion, because in this era Judaism was the prime religion in Middle East and adjoining area. It is very amazing three religions were evolved in the land of Israel, that are Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, and the persecution of the Jews and the Christian were very common to this society. How Muslim were not persecuted by anyone if same thing against Muslims only due retaliation or due to the resentment only. Islamic followers are very honest to their cult. This is why all atrocities against Kafirs are certified and recognized by Quran. And Islam is as a robbery, killing the Kafirs, rape with the Kafir woman, not the women's, and ransom, etc. as Malik Ganima. Hence, in ancient time, 3000 years ago, there was not any cult, but only Sanatan Vedic religion, and the culture was present in Indian subcontinent, and rest were many cults on the earth, as per their requirement and suitableness for their facilities. Early Christianity developed, began second temple of Jews, and according to New Testaments, the religious book of the Christianity, phrase including Saul of the Tarsus, priorities conversion into Christianity. As Saint Paul persecuted early Christians, the early Christians preached the second canings as Messiah or the Savior, which did not conform to their religious teachings. Christians are hopeful and had been hopeful their men would accept their faith despite individual reorganization. The vast majority was still Jews and not converted to Christianity. Claudi Satajar felt that Jews did not see the Christian as closely separate from their own community until the 15th of the second century. That is the passing the almost 50 years of the second century. Because many practices emerged to each other, this act of the persecution by Jews was failed within the boundaries of synagogues, discipline, and was so perceived by Jews acting and thinking as the established community means Jews and the Christians were supported to the same group. The Christians failed that it was persecution, then to discipline. This was the beginning when intended communication with Jews and the Christian made a jealous environment among two groups. This first came out with the teaching of the outspoken Saint Stephen's of the Jerusalem. Saint Stephen's meaning wrought crown, which was considered an apostate rejected by the Jewish authority. Apostate meaning is in the Judaism, rejection or the possible deflection to another religion by a Jew. The term apostate is derived from Greek, means a rebellion person. According to this act of the apostasy, a year after crucifixion of Jesus, Stephen was stoned to death for his alleged transgression of the faith, with who later converted was renamed as the Paul. In 41 Anno Domini, when Herod Agrippa, who already possessed the territory of Herod Antipas and the Philip, his former colleague in the Herodias archery tetrarch, obtained a title king of the Jews, as a sense reforming the kingdom of Judah or the Herod. The great Herod was very eager, endear himself to his Jewish subjects, and continued the persecution in which James the Great lost his life. Saint Peter narrowly survived, and rest of the apostle took flight after death of Agrippas. The Romans' procuratorship began before they were prefect in Judea province, and those leaders maintained in natural peace until the procurator Porcius Festus died in 62 AD Anno Domini, and the high priest Annas ben Annas took advantage of the power vacuumed to attack on churches and executed James, the just then leader of the Jerusalem Christians. The New Testament stated that the Paul was converted as a Christian from Judaism and was imprisoned on several occasions by the Roman Emperor, stand by the Pharisees, and left for dead on one occasion, and was eventually taken to Rome as a prisoner. Peter and other early Christians were also imprisoned and beaten, harassed, and stoned for the pelting to death, as were assumed by Jews. The first Jewish rebellion, spurred by 3,000 killing of the Jews, led to severe destruction to the Jerusalem in 17 AD. And the second temple Judaism and the subsequent slow rise of the Rabbinic Judaism. Rabbinic Judaism, also called as Rabbanism or the Rabbinicism, has been the mainstream Judaism and based on the belief that Moses at the Mount of Sinai received two intimation belief from God, that is the Jehovah, written Torah and the oral Torah, Torah Sehbe Khatab and Torah Sehbe Al-Feh, respectively, and disempowering of the Jewish persecutions according to an old church traditionally, which is the mostly doubted phenomena because there is no proof available till date. The early Christians were fled to Jerusalem before changed to already pacified region of the Pella. Pella is located in northwest Jordan at a rich water sources within the eastern foothills of the Jordan. Look at Johnson or the Luke. Timothy Johnson, 20 September 1943, is an US citizen, New Testament scholar and historian of Christianity. According to L.T. Johnson, the harsh portrait of the Jews in the Gospel of contextualizing the polemics with the rhetoric of the contains Porlenius philosophical debate, showing that how rivalry school of the thoughts continually or routinely insulted and was slaughtering their opponents. These attacks were stereotyped, crafted to define who was the enemy in the debate, but not used with expectations as their insult and accusation would be taken literally as they would be later in centuries, was radical till the millennia of the anti-Semitism in the Christianity. Anti-Semitism means that some Christian churches and the group and ordinary Christians have toward the Jewish religion and the Jewish people. Christi rhetoric and the antipathy towards Judaism to the early years of the Christians, expanding on pagans, anti-Jews attitude, which were reinforced by the belief that Jews had killed Jesus on the Son of the God or the Yahweh. As per Yahweh, yes. As per bibliography by the 4th century, John Jerusalem arguing that the heresies alone, not the Romans, were as responsible for the murder of the Jesus. However, according to Walter Lecker, absolving Pilate of God, many have been connected to the missionaries activities of the early Christians in Rome and their desire not and antagonize those who they wanted to convert. Roman Empire persecution of the Christians. The first documented case of the persecution of the Christian in the Roman Empire begins with the Nero, that is 54 to 68 Anno Domini. In 6th Anno Domini, a great fire broke out in Rome. Nero was the same king who was singing with a flute, bansuri in Hindi or bansi or murli, when Rome was burning. The same thing correct to the our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Modi ji. He was giving so many help these Islamic terrorists. I opened all this Modi's cunningness to support the Muslims and the Islamic terrorism in my book, The Panorama of Democracy in Indian Context by Vijay Kumar Pal. You can purchase my book, Amazon or Flipkart. This is the book, Venomous Fangs of Cobra. So, when Rome was burning, if India had Muhammad Tughlaq, the same regard to Nero, who was the Roman Emperor at this period, was very critical to Christian in Rome Kingdom. He was very, very against the Christians because of his belief that Christians are not sacred people in comparison to any cult, though he was foolish. Somebody thought the fire of Rome was on himself by Nero because he was playing the flute. Suetonius was a Roman historian. His full name was Gaius Suetonius Tranquillus, 69 to 122 AD. Suetonius claimed that the Nero, played the lyre and sang the sake of Ilium. During the fires in the Amalus Testus, a Roman historian wrote to get rid of the report. Nero fastened the quilt and inflicted the most executive torture on the class hated for their abomination called Christians by the populace. Crestus, from who the name has its origin, suffered the extreme penalty during the reign of the Tiberius, hand of one our Procrates, Pontus Pilatus, and the most mischievous superstition. This checked for the moment again broke out not only in Judah, the first source of the evil, but even in Rome, whereas things hideous, shameful from every part of the world find their center and became popular from Tacitus' arrival 15 to 44. See the Tacitus and Christ. Nero blamed the fire of the city to the Christians. Suetonius later to the period of the persecution after the fire, but in a previous paragraph unrelated to the fire, mentioned punishment inflicted on Christians in the first 2 centuries was relative. Very few Christians persecuted in the world. The portion was very low, only 2% in the whole world. Reckler Stark, 8 September 1934, is a mineral estimated there were less than 10,000 Christians in the year of 100 AD. Christian grew to lakhs in the year of 100 AD, which was only 0.36%, 36% of the population, and then 20 lakhs in 25 Anno Domini. Still, percentage was less than 2 years of the Roman Empire. According to the historians Gay Lurie, the church was not involved in these crises during the first century. Bernard Green told that although early persecution of the Christians were generally sporadic, local and under the direction of the regional government, not emphasis, Christians were generally always under the persecution. At least 10 kings were against the Christians. According to different Christian traditionally, Simon Bar Kokhba, the leader of second Jewish revolt against Rome, 132 to 136 Anno Domini, who was the proclaimed Messiah or the Savior, persecuted the Christians. One traditional account killing is the Leon, in which Christians were purportedly mass-scale slaughtering of Christians by being thrown to wild beasts under the decree of Roman official for reportedly refusing to accept Judaism. According Irenaeus, the sole source of this history, historian Eusebius of the Caesarea in church history, an accord written in Egypt in the 4th century, Tertullian apologetics of the 190 780 was when hence defense of the persecuted Christians were ostensibly and was addressed to the Roman governor according to Trajan policy towards Christians was not different from the treatment of the other side. So this is the first part of the persecution of the Christians by the Jews. Another part will continue until we will describe the persecution of the Christian by the Muslims also, because Muslim is the group of the robbers, killers, and the certified criminals, as their prophet was. Same alike. Thank you very much.